Okay, so number 5 tells us that a random sample of people at a mall shows that 22 people prefer to take a family trip by car. 18 people prefer to travel by plane. And 4 people prefer to travel by bus. And what they want you to find out is find the probability that a person travels by plane. So we know that the total number of people surveyed is equal to 22 plus 18 plus 4. And that's going to be equal to 44. So the probability that a person travels by plane, is just going to be equal to the number of people who prefer plane, okay? So number that prefer plane divided by the total number surveyed. And that would give us 18 people prefer to travel by plane. So it's 18 over 44. That's the probability. And I can simplify that by dividing the numerator by 2, and the denominator by 2. And so 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 44 divided by 2 is 22. So the probability that a person travels by plane is going to be 9 out of 22. Okay, and part B, and they want us, of course, to justify your answer. Okay, so all we need to say is the probability is found by dividing the preferred value, or the preferred value. Here we are talking about the preferred value as in how many people prefer to travel by a plane, by the total number surveyed. Okay, so the preferred value by the total number surveyed. This is the way we calculate probability by definition. Okay. So the probability is found by dividing the preferred value by the total number surveyed. This is the way we calculate probability by definition. Okay, so that was part A. That was part A. Now they want us to find part B. Okay, so in part B, we are asked if there are 500 people, how many would you expect to travel by plane? And again, the predicted value here is just going to be equal to the probability multiplied by the given, okay, by the given value. And the given value here is a 500. So we're going to take the probability, which is 9 out of 22, and we're going to multiply that by 500. Okay, and so you're not going to get a whole number when you do this. So you're going to take 9 out of 22, and you're going to multiply that by 500. Okay, and so you're going to get, calculator is going to show you 204.545454, and so on. Okay, that's what your calculator is going to show you. And we know that that's approximately equal to 205. You round up because the 5 is bigger than 4. So for 5 or more, you round up. Okay? So we expect 205 people out of 500 to travel by plane. Okay, so we expect 205 people out of 500 people to prefer travel by plane. Okay, we expect 205 people out of 500 people to prefer travel by plane.